Samoa Authority, Jolivet speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, we're seeking some
Okay.
assistance. Our water stopped running and we'd like to know what the cause is.
Okay. Thank you for calling. Your water will be restored very soon. SWA.
Consider water engineering as a career.
It's a challenging and rewarding role.
It's a great opportunity to develop your engineering career.
Come and join us, Samoa's leading provider of water and wastewater treatment technologies.
Be part of a well-established and growing organization, Samoa Water Authority.
If you have the ambition to develop a career in engineering at Samoa Water Authority, simply send your CV to hr@swa.gov.ws or consult our friendly HR team at our main office, Savalala.